Good morning, dear children. Welcome to English class. This is your English teacher, Kumaresan. I hope everyone is doing good. Stay home and stay safe. Starts with today's class with meaningful quote. Yes, children, there are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failures. Yeah, children, I repeat once again the today's quote or today's thought. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Starts with today's class. Today we are going to learn lesson 2. Yes, children, today we are going to begin lesson 2. Yes, children, the title of the poem is Every Day is a New Day. The second chapter is, it's a poem. The title of the poem is Every Day is a New Day. Read a poem that describes a delightful dog named Lexi. Through this poem, we are going to look over the name of the dog is Lexi. It's a quite interesting poem. Till the end of the poem, we just look over the Lexi's life. Written by Shruti Sarathi and Manjula Shukla. The authors are Shruti Sarathi and Manjula Shukla. Before going to the exact poetic lines, let us discuss the following questions. Let us discuss the following questions. It may displaying on your screen now. Have you ever observed dogs and cats? Which of their habits do you find interesting? I repeat once again the first question. Have you ever observed dogs and cats? Which of their habits do you find interesting? If you have any interesting things or interesting story based on the topic, you could write in your note and will display during the online class. Yes, children, if you have any interesting thing, you could write in your note and will display during the online class. Right, children? The second question is, does the sight of a pet or any animal cheer up you? Does the sight of a pet or any animal cheer you up? Is there something else in nature that you look forward to seeing? Look forward to seeing. The same thing for this question too. Right, children? Now we will start with the poetic. First, you would listen the poetic lines very carefully, children. You should listen the poetic lines very carefully. Reading the text. Her wet tongue pokes out of her red mouth. Her paws patter delicately, curiously. Her eyes are bright in wonder at nature's creations given. Crooked, crushed, gasping purple flowers that everyone can see are greeted every morning by her, curiously and very lovingly. With dark nose and padded feet, she walks softly and delicately. Every day is a new day for her, lived afresh and wonderfully. Written by Shruti Sarathi and Manjula Shukla. Right, children? Now you can follow with me. Her wet tongue pokes out of her red mouth. Her paws patter delicately, curiously. Her eyes are bright in wonder at nature's creations given. Crooked, crushed, gasping, purple flowers that everyone can see are greeted every morning by her, curiously and very lovingly, with dark nose and padded feet. She walks softly and delicately. Every day is a new day for her, lived afresh and wonderfully. Shruti Sarathi and Manjula Shukla. Right, children? Good. Then we will learn the summary of the poem. Okay, instead of the line by line explanation, we just go through or else look over the summary of the poem. Right, children? Yeah. The title of the poem is Every Day is a New Day. Am I right? Yeah. The poem is about a delightful dog named Lexi. What is the name of the dog? Yes, Lexi. She has a red mouth, dark nose and padded feet. I repeat once again. She has a red mouth, dark nose and padded feet. What is meant by padded feet? To go on feet. Then her eyes admire everything in nature. Whose eyes admiring everything in nature? Yes, Lexi's eyes. Her eyes admire everything in nature and wonder at their beauty. Wonder at their beauty. Okay. She even smells the crushed purple flowers with wonder and curiosity. What is meant by curious or curiosity? Eager to know. Okay, the meaning of the word is eager to know. You can apply the meaning into the word. She even smells the crushed purple flowers with wonder and curiosity. Okay, that means to say that she is curious even about those flowers that have fallen down and have probably been crushed by walking people or moving vehicles. Everyone can see those flowers. They do not care about them. But when it comes to Lexi, they too fill her with wonder. She barks softly. Every day is a new day for Lexi, and she lives it wonderfully. She lives it wonderfully. So these all about the summary of the poem. Every day is a new day. Right, children? So what are the new words you have learned from the poem? Can you tell me what are the new words, if it is possible? Yes, children. Could you remember the words? The first word is, take a note and write the meaning of the words. You should take a note. Have you taken? Okay. So if you want to time to take your notes, you can stop the video, then you can play the video. The first word is delicately. What is the spelling of delicately? D-E-L-I-C-A-T-E-L-Y. Delicately. The meaning of the word is carefully and softly. Right. The second word, gasping. G-A-S-P-I-N-G. Gasping. What is the meaning of the word? breathing loudly with the mouth. It can be breathing with their mouth. Okay, the meaning of the word is breathing loudly with the mouth. The third word is padded. I already explained the word. Yeah, to go on feet. The fourth word is admire. A-D-M-I-R-E. Admire. What is the meaning of the word? To like very much. Yeah, to like very much. You get the attention from it. Okay, to like very much. Then the fifth word is curious. What is the meaning of the word curious? Eager to know or eager to learn. Right, children? These are the words we have learnt from the poem. You have learnt these are the 5 words from the poem. If it is possible, you can write your textbook. If you got the textbooks from our school, you can copy directly in your textbooks. Otherwise, you can write these are the words as well as the meaning in your notebook. Okay, along with this poem, we would learn the onomatopoeia. Yes, children, we would learn the onomatopoeia. Have you ever heard the word is onomatopoeia? It means that imitates or suggests the sounds it describes. Yes, I repeat one thing. It means that imitates or suggests the sound it describes. For example, the cat can produce the sound of meow. I repeat once again. The cat can produce the sound of meow. The cow can produce the sound of moo. And the duck can produce the sound of quacks. Similarly, the clock tick-tock, the honeybee buzzing, our teeth chatter, the door bell ding-dong, the train coo. Right, children, these are all about today's class. Along with the poem, we have learnt, yes, the new concept is the onomatopoeia is nothing but it means that imitates or suggests the sound it describes. Okay, so you could learn these are the special sounds of the objects. Right, children? Okay, so these are all about today's class. After completing this class, I have given such interesting questions in the today's class, so you can find the Google form test and complete the test without fail. Okay, stay home and stay safe. Bye bye, children. Take care.